Welcome back to AI Tips. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence to create viral hybrid animal videos and share them on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. With the step-by-step guide I'm about to share in this video, you'll learn everything from creating images and videos to editing them with a few tips to give them that polished look. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to create unique hybrid animal videos using free AI tools with some easy steps. All of these tools are free and are great for creating captivating hybrid animal videos. In the first step, I will ask ChatGPT to provide me with, write me 3 prompt samples to create images of a white tiger and a giant Argentine eagle standing next to each other on a beach with stones lining the shore. You can also watch similar videos, then take a few screenshots from their trending videos for inspiration. Then, upload that image and ask the Copilot tool to write a prompt to create such an image using the command, "Please describe this image in detail so that I can generate it." Back to ChatGPT, I will choose one prompt from the 3 results that ChatGPT provided. Then, I will ask ChatGPT to write another prompt using the command, "Now, please write a prompt describing the merging of these 2 creatures as they become one, with a setting similar to the one mentioned in the first prompt." After you have 2 satisfactory prompts, you will access the image creation website of Microsoft. The links to the websites in this tutorial video will be in the description and comments below the video. You can scroll down and click to use them. This tool is completely free. On the website interface, please register an account to use it. Enter the prompts, choose the image size, and then click on Create to generate the image. Each time, this tool will generate 4 images for us to choose from. If you like any of the images, you can click the download button here. If not, you can click to create again. I will continue to enter the next prompts. Okay, so now I have the images I wanted. Now I will access the website haiper.ai to create a video from the images I just created. Click here, and you can log in with your Google account. Go to the Image to Video section. Select Haiper 1.5. Upload image number 1, click on Keyframe Conditioning to enable it. In the Last Frame Image section, select image number 2. In the Settings section, you can choose the video duration from 2 to 8 seconds. I recommend choosing 4 seconds since it's free. If you choose 8 seconds, you will incur a cost of 20 diamonds. Enter the prompts. For example, here I will input, a tiger and an eagle merge together, and then this creature spreads its wings. Continue to click Create to generate the video. You can create multiple times until you get a video you like since it is completely free. Continue to upload image 2 and 3 to create another video. Type prompters, smooth motion of a winged tiger. The video is finished, let's watch it together. The first video wasn't very good, but I can edit it later. The second video is quite good. Oh, the third video is also quite good. I will download them all. To remove the watermark in the video, I use an online website. The link will be in the description below this video. On the website interface, I upload my video. Click on it, and select Remove Logo, then choose the logo I want to remove. Click the Apply button, check the result, and if you like it, Click the Save button, then click the Export button. I will select the highest frame rate. Okay, and here is the result. Pretty good, isn't it? To find free music and sound effects, you can use the YouTube audio library. Search and find what you want, or you can use tools like Mubert to create AI-generated music and make your own music. In this tutorial video, I will use sounds from YouTube's library and AI sounds from the Mubert website. I go to the YouTube Music Library, select the Sound Effects section, and type the keyword for the sound I want to find, for example, monster. Listen to it and download the sound I like. On the Mubert website, click Log In, then sign in with your Google account. Here, I enter the keyword for the sound I want to create. For example, here it is, a monster roar. You can create it several times until you get the desired sound, then click to download it here. Next, click on My Downloads to download the sound to your computer. Be sure to download the usage license file as well. Note, to avoid copyright claims, you need to add the link for Monster in the description of your video. This tool is completely free, everyone. So, I have all the materials needed to create the video. To edit the video, I use CapCut software, or you can use any other video editing software. Drag and drop the video and audio files into CapCut. This part of the video is a bit faulty, I will cut it out along with this section. Move the final segment to the second position. Adjust it a bit larger to match the first segment. Cut this section out and reverse the video to align with segment 2. Add background music and the sound of a tiger roaring. Now, I will export the video. And here is the result of my video. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can now create your very own viral hybrid animal video using free AI tools. Think of the possibilities, from fantasy animals to totally unique creatures that have never been seen before. Imagine how these videos can spark curiosity and even bring smiles to people around the world. If this guide helped you discover something new today, please hit that like button, drop a comment to let us know which hybrid animal was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to ND AI Tips. We're always exploring new AI tools and sharing tips to help you bring your creative ideas to life, so join our community and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and let your imagination run wild.